Yo, you and the other guys are amazed by it, bro. Look at the judges. These guys are snapping. What's good, YouTube? It is your boy Kaz. We are back. Happy New Year. I know I've been MIA. I've been a little sick, a little under the weather, but we're back. We're back, guys. Today we are doing Rofu or Rofu, I don't know his name, versus Rogue Wave. This is tag team. So we're doing tag team today. Rogue Wave, I think, is Collapse, if I'm not mistaken, and I don't know the other person's name. I think Robin. I think I did a Robin. Could be wrong. We're doing them today. Collapse was a beast. Collapse is a beast, actually. What am I talking about? Collapse is a beast. So I'm excited to see this, guys, because anytime I see them do things together as a team, it's always like, well, I've only seen it once. I've seen the drops, but you can just know, because if like one person can do crazy ass drops by themselves and you got another guy with them, and you got two good brains that are able to, like, you know, structure stuff, it's heavy. Let's get into it. Hell yeah, we are ready. We are back, guys. Going strong, baby.
One half collapse. Can I get an ooh la la?
Ooh la la.
Coming to the stage.
I'm a part of it. I'm a part of it now. Rogue Wave, baby. France in the building. I would probably be doing that. If I had the mic on the stage, I'd be doing every time.
Versus representing for Japan.
Ooh.
Give it up for Rofu.
I haven't seen these guys. I don't think I've seen any of these guys. I don't know what their names or anything. Oh my god, we got a damn ad right away.
Easy on the eyes. Easy.
Skip it. I wonder, like, France, Japan, in terms of beatboxing, like, style difference? Does every country, like, have their own style? Like, I don't know. Do they? Let me know, because I'll be sick to know. Sick to know. Okay, respects. Yo, battles are always sick.
Everyone. Semi-final.
You too.
Live and direct Grand BEATBOX Battle 2021 World League Edition. We have Rogue Wave versus Rofu.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you again, are you ready?
Hell to the yeah, baby.
Rogue Wave ranked higher and chose Rofu to go first. So you already know the deal. I say the San, you say the Ni and the Ichi. Ladies and gentlemen, San.
Ni, Ichi, beatbox.
Hello, we are Rogue Wave.
I know now.
From France.
Hello.
No, we are from Japan.
Whoa. Oh, that was they mocked them. Oh, we're all the way from France. I don't know what he did, but there's probably basically saying, like, that's what they're gonna sound like. They're gonna do something like that. I love that.
No, we are from Japan.
Ooh, bass.
Fatality. Mortal Kombat. Excellent KO.
That's amazing. The whole, like, I don't know what to call it, commentary. Excellent KO. Fatality. Like that stuff. The ad-libs. Hey. That's heavy. I love it. That was a sick bass note at the end too.
Okay, well, so you ready to play with me? Whenever I do this with my arm, you say, ah, like this, perfect.
Ah.
Let's go.
That's heavy. That's bass, bro. I seen D-Lo in there. I seen D-Lo in there. Judging. This is sick, guys. See, this is different. This is like you're trying to utilize all you can, basically, in terms of making it still sound good and not like overly complex or anything, but like being able to do the most as an individual to contribute towards this beat, because this is whatever song or whatever they're doing right now, because one's singing, one's doing the beat is fire. I love it. That's heavy. See, yo, these guys utilized. These guys did it sick, bro. Rogue Wave for sure, my opinion. Has to be. Everybody's opinion. That was Rogue Wave. Don't care. That first round was Rogue Wave. Like, they just utilized it so well. I don't know. I'm not hating on Rofu or anything, but, you know, Rogue Wave for sure for me.
Time switch!
Yeah.
That was sick though. I mean, it didn't sound anything like theirs. It was just it was funny. These guys are funny. I think that's what their whole thing is. They're kind of funny.
Cool. So good. So good. But we are better. We are Rofu for max of days. Yo.
These guys are good when it comes to battling, for sure. Because they're doing everything you need to do in a battle.
Do you know Smash Brothers?
Yep. DK Thunder. That's sick. This is jeez, these guys are snapping right now because like they're incorporating like comedy, but like they're bringing like Super Smash Brothers is obviously huge in America. Huge, bro. If you didn't play Super Smash on N64, what were you doing out here, bro? Super Smash Bros. And then he brings in the PK Thunder. That was heavy. And like the sideways motion, that was heavy.
Do you know Smash
Too sick.
Brothers?
Too sick. That's sick. See, these guys, yeah. That was a lot of long power there.
And that's time. Switch!
That was sick. Harmonies. That's sick.
It's been a long time since you fell in love. You're coming out your shell. Within yourself. Tell me what must I do to tell my love? Cause luckily I'm good at treating. I wouldn't bug anybody, won't stop teasing. And we can dance all day around.
These guys create like whole tracks out of this.
I'll be bouncing if you want it. Scream it, shout it, babe. Before I leave you dry.
What? This, yeah, I seen this in the top 10 drops, bro. Oh my god. I didn't know it was this one. I remember this though. The yo, this was one of my favorite ones too. I didn't know this was it. I remember in the top 10 drops. I thought that was so fucking talented. Yo, you and the other guys are amazed by it, bro. Look at the judges. These guys are snapping. See, when I first seen this, same thing, bro. I'm still, like, I could watch that over and over again, like, every week, and it would be the same reaction for me, I'm telling you. That shit's crazy, bro. I love that. That is so sick. Oh man, I love that. We already know. I can't lie though, Rofu came in hard with that second round. They did, so shout out to them. But this for me was like a whole different level. I don't even know. Rogue Wave, holy.
If you enjoyed the battle,
that was a sick battle. That was a sick battle. I loved what Rofu did actually. The second round was sick. That was a sick second round.
That being said, only one can head to the finals. We go to our esteemed judging panel. Judges,
let's see, baby.
This side for Rogue Wave.
Yeah, everybody's on Rogue Wave right now.
For Rofu. Heading to the finals, Grand Beatbox Battle 2021 Tag Team. I say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1 crowd. In 3.
Yeah.
Rogue Wave.
Yeah, that was sick, bro. I can't even lie. Oh, it's just not even done, eh? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, go show these guys some support. You know, follow their main channel.
Keep cheering for Rofu right now, though.
Oh, their wild card.
Yo, Rogue Wave, thank you so much for watching our video.
Yeah, go follow it, I guess.
21. If you liked our stuff, you can follow us on Instagram at roguewave.bbx. We hope to see you there.
Those guys were sick, bro.
Thank you for watching this video. Please check our Instagram and Twitter and YouTube.
This community is tight, guys. You already know. This community is tight. I love it. Comment down below. Sorry to yell. Comment down below what videos you want me to do in the comment section. And give it a like if you actually like the video. If you want to see more of these, hit that little red button too, the sub button. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Peace.